For Friday, September 22, 2023. Severe thunderstorm watch issued. Valid from 1:30 p.m. until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Isolated severe thunderstorms including some supercells are expected to develop through mid to late afternoon and spread east-northeastward across portions of western Nebraska, southwest South Dakota, and eastern Wyoming through early evening. Scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events up to 2.5 inches in diameter, along with isolated damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. A tornado or two will also be possible with this activity. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather updates.